In front of me is XIAOMI Poco F4 GT, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on this phone. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select apps right here, and go to manage apps. Here click on more icon, which is three dots one in the right upper corner, and then select reset app preferences. And if you truly want to remove all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, and background data restrictions for apps, just click on Reset Apps. And that's it. It has been done, so whenever you need to do it, just perform the same action. And that would be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.